Petty fam.
Hey, Petty fam.
We're doing a reaction to Clarence NYC Reacts Corvette C8 for my birthday. Let's get into it. Happy birthday again, Claire.
What's up, y'all? It's your boy Clarence NYC.
Hey.
Welcome back to my reaction channel. And as y'all already know,
our reaction
my birthday recently just passed. It was on December 8th.
December 8th.
And I had an absolutely amazing birthday.
Oh, good.
Like, I couldn't even.
Yay, Queen.
Yay, Queen, you did
My
that.
birthday ever going this way.
Got him an 8
You know
for
what I'm saying? I had an
his
amazing
December
birthday.
8th.
Oh, yeah.
Shout out to my friends and family. And specifically, shout out to Queen for just making this day very special for me.
Queen.
Oh,
Best
you
birthday
got the picture where he was
I've ever had.
crying.
Oh, no, he was. He had his.
Oh yeah.
He had his. Somebody had their
it was
hand. I think
amazing. It was
Queen had her
honestly
hand
amazing.
covering his eye.
I never had any girl do anything like that for me, and it's not about the price or the size of the gift. It's just like her willingness to go overboard.
Oh,
That's what everyone
beyond
says
for
about
me
her. That's so
is
sweet.
just undeniable, and I love her for that. You know what I'm saying? But let's get into this video. Let's react to it. I'm not gonna waste your time. It's a 16-minute video.
Was not wasting your time.
Yeah, share the love.
Declaring his love for his girl.
We need an intro. We need a vlogmas intro. We haven't got to it.
Was the dinner nice? It looks
That's
nice.
nice.
Yeah, it's pretty. Everything looked perfect.
Oh.
That little private moment.
Uh-oh. She's singing too.
Yep.
We are about to go to the Airbnb party. Party don't know it. First of all, let's show off your outfit because they didn't see it in the last video.
Okay, the feet.
Classic Prada, you feel me?
Prada pants, Prada shirt,
I like the shirt and
Prada
pants.
bag,
Oh, yeah.
Prada
Look at
sunglasses.
that. That's the big boy.
I see the sunglasses.
Hold on, wait.
Can't leave the house without sharing.
Oh, my God. Wait, just turn. Oh, my Lord.
Just to let y'all know,
He still
this
got
is
on.
my gift to myself. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
My birthdays, for the past couple birthdays, I don't know why, but I just haven't got myself anything.
Yeah, that's important, Claire.
I don't know why, but it's okay to buy yourself something.
It is.
Yeah, I don't know why, but me and Queen have this thing where, like, we're quick to blow a bag on each other, but, like, when it comes to us and we're in the jewelry store and they say the price is like, nah, but if it was her birthday and he said the price, I'd be like, let's do it. Like, I don't know. But this year I decided to just give myself, you know, a little something.
Yeah, he was still.
That's a Dior buckle. I see it's right here.
And I got that bag, too.
Ooh, look at my nails next to that. Yes. How was dinner? Did you like dinner? How you feeling? How you feeling so far on your birthday? You feeling good? That's good.
The crazy thing is they all know about the Corvette except for me right now.
Party on up.
Everybody played it cool.
Okay.
Just kidding.
The whole 1942 dropped on my birthday.
Like, we don't know which day the Christmas tree. We need help. But when it lights up, it's cute. It's a cute Christmas tree. Oh, we got the Malibu. Take out the cameras of family friends at a family friendly channel.
Wait, interrupted him during his reaction.
Yes, you are. Oh, look at that right here. Look at that.
Y'all made his background appear.
Right.
You guys remember mine? Yeah, I know y'all do.
He's responsible for that
He's responsible for that. This guy
My
right
boy
here.
Just.
Yeah, he be providing drip.
Man, look at that.
It's gonna be like, I don't know. That's more than mine. First of all, don't be trying to get yourself free shout outs on the Royal Family Channel because we know y'all talking junk about us. Nah.
Yeah.
No, y'all was talking junk about us. Y'all don't even vlog that much. Are y'all doing vlogmas? I don't think so.
Why y'all?
Uh-oh.
They're doing vlogmas, but
Oh.
today's the 13th.
Uh-oh.
Have we seen a vlog from them in Vlogmas?
Uh-oh. Speaking of that, where y'all vlogmas at?
Right. Ow.
Ew.
The candle in the water has to be able to Yeah, the candle was like floating on water like it was ham.
Men be so men be so flabbergasted by the floating.
It's at the Art and Craft store, baby. It's at Target, bro.
Go to Michael's.
Right. That's how you buy your man.
Okay, right? Like, ooh, you get to float a candle on the water. Uh-huh.
That's nice. I like it. It's such a nice touch.
We probably ate them all.
What?
Yeah.
I didn't even get to have
Who
those.
ate them?
Who ate the strawberries?
Who ate the strawberries? His birthday strawberries at that.
Now y'all see if y'all can spot this Corvette thing. I gotta look.
Corvette.
I see the cash money.
Yeah, they said there was a Corvette sign on the cake.
Yeah, Clare. Hey, Beast.
Sing it, queen.
They having fun.
Yes,
They
sis.
having fun over there because everybody knows what's about to happen except for me.
See, I don't even think we saw the front. Did we even see the front of the cake?
I think they showed it for a hot second. Oh, you're right. They didn't really show it. Okay, now I feel better.
Our petty fam said there wasn't a Gucci jacket that she left at home.
Oh, wow.
This jacket is OD right here.
I love it. It's
Yeah,
nice.
it's very nice.
And warm.
It looks very comfortable.
I peeped that. See, Queen just said you might want to put this on.
Yeah, because it was cold outside.
Oh, yeah. He done froze to death.
Yo, if anybody tell you we gotta go outside on your birthday, oh my god. Outside, that means the gift is too big to fit inside.
You're going to get a lot of people disappointed.
Right.
They're going to get a tricycle.
Right. I think we'll have to start getting houses they can roll the car in.
Or go to the garage.
Yeah, you're right. The garage would be nice.
Y'all hear that? Y'all hear the
That was a nice touch.
Yeah. Yeah, we were like, can't you hear that, Claire?
Did you hear it, Claire?
Yeah, did you hear it?
Is it the line out there or a Corvette?
Right. Your boy got your back, Claire.
Right.
Look at his face.
Aww.
I was about to cry right there. I'm not gonna lie, no cap.
That's all right, baby.
Right.
That's it. That's your birthday.
That's an emotional moment.
That's a lot of love.
I have to do something now.
Yes.
Yeah, I know how I get for her birthday. I gotta do something because this is crazy. This is crazy. For her birthday, I gotta do something.
You got to
throw some ideas in the comments. Throw some ideas. I gotta do something.
Engagement.
I was gonna say that. That's
A
a
wedding ring.
It's so special. I just
Get the whole ceremony while you're at it.
Okay.
I know it's not really
Yeah,
competitive.
you give her the
I just
ring.
wanna
You give her a ring box and
it's
she gonna fall out.
special. She made mine. You know what I'm saying? But I know we be wilding for each other's birthdays. For Christmas, we be chilling. We be chilling a little bit. You know what I'm saying? It's close to everything, and it's more about the kids on Christmas. You know what I'm saying? But
Yeah.
for a birthday.
No said.
Exactly.
Aww.
Look at that smile.
Both of them smiling. Y'all, if y'all see one of them little ads popping up, y'all leave it on there. And watch our ads.
Yes, please.
Let it play. Don't skip.
No skips, T.
No
No skips.
skip.
They just disappear. You had to walk around and get to the other side.
I know.
Y'all can't scooch over to the other seat in that car.
Really?
Don't tear them knees up.
Ain't no funny business happening in that car.
Yo, mine is a freak.
Wait. Why you gotta be a freak?
This is old.
It's safe to say Queen's love his gift.
He is so overwhelmed.
I'm in love with the car.
Aw.
And I was lit right here.
Oh, okay. I thought he was just so overwhelmed he was tired. Ah,
She's so happy.
Queen so happy. That's good.
I can't make a decision on this
It's
surprise.
$100,000 car. Like, you know, it's an expensive ass car. I'm about to get you a car.
Yeah, I did this all on my own. And guess what? It was the last one left. Very last one.
Like the Corvette dealership. What made it
In the whole place. Because I was looking at the Audi, right? And I was just like, it looked like a nice car trying to be sport. Might as well be a real sports car. So we got a Corvette. And I love it too.
A lot of y'all don't know, but the crazy thing about the Corvette, that she got is the C8, right?
Yeah.
I got a lot of hit-ups from a lot of celebrity friends, a lot of people that deal with cars, even car people now follow me. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, you can have a car channel now.
Um,
Love and Slim has
the car
one.
is
The
so
one that one.
sought after. Like, it's so
Oh
rare,
wow.
and it's also discontinued.
Oh wow.
So it's like there'll never be more of those. Like the next
Uh-oh,
one's gonna
he
look
got
a
one of
little
one
different.
or something.
Right.
And like there's only like about, I think the person I talked to, a couple people said there's only about 30, and you could look this up.
Wow.
Corvette Stingray C8. There's only
Wow.
about 30 left in the world right now.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Left for sale. You know what I'm saying? And Queen somehow found one in Atlanta.
That's crazy.
It's crazy.
Go Queen.
It's ridiculous.
Good job.
Like,
Okay,
and
she not
now
even no car
cars
person.
depreciate.
Right.
This one's
She
going
got it.
This one's gonna be more of like a collector's. It's gonna be a collector's.
You need to let
car.
that sit in
Like,
your
you keep
garage.
This one,
Mhm.
and maybe like kids sell it, or legend sell it, or just keep it. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be worth a lot of money in the future.
I was in love with her. When I seen it, when I walked in, it was the last one.
Like on like a date or something.
Yeah, we were right around.
Corvette sound because I never had the Corvette. I just know what a Corvette looked like. I didn't know there's like an emblem if I seen it. You know? Now I do.
Now you
I
know.
do. I might go get a Corvette fit.
Yeah, get the jackets. They
Yeah,
got nice
one
little
of them
leather jackets and stuff.
I just thought, I don't know what I thought that was.
I got the Corvette emblem on a cake, so to give you a cake.
TikTok coming through. I'm gonna do that TikTok.
You gotta do the TikTok with it, Claire.
I just love the fact that it's
Oh, he gonna do it. Aww.
Did we cut off the car? Yeah. See? It was the cake. We're gonna take a little time, right? Yeah. Good morning, Beast. You ready to go?
Beast.
Would you like to stay here? Huh? What we got planned for today? Shoot, drive. We're making the most of it. Oh, you didn't eat it? But you have the most as well, not me. So far, eat my food. So, y'all, we had a very fun-filled week. Feels like the weekend. We're about to leave this beautiful interview. It's such a... Okay, would you say
Oh my
this
God.
year was just as good as last year?
Mm-hmm.
It was better? No, I got better?
Don't be trying to.
Okay, let's start.
Don't be trying to take the humble. I just want to say I'm grateful, man. Really do appreciate y'all. If it wasn't for y'all, we wouldn't be able to do some of the things we do for each other. You know what I'm saying? And for everybody. You know what I'm saying? So we really do appreciate it. Thank you again, babe. Thank you again. Just really do. You just show me that you really show me what love is and show me what love is about. You know what I'm saying? She's crazy, man. Crazy woman, but I love her. I'm gonna end this video right here. Make sure you smash that like button.
Aww.
Man, this
Smash the like, y'all.
my voice getting a little soft and shit. Just thinking about just that gesture, this hand, man. I'm about to go out and just sit in it, you know. But I love y'all. Appreciate
Start
y'all,
it up.
man. Thank you guys for
Right.
watching, and peace out. Oh,
Yay.
let me know if you guys want me to do like a car tour on the main channel. I do a little car tour.
Yeah, do it.
Yeah.
Peace.
And let's ride. Like,
Like,
comment,
comment,
subscribe, share if you care. Click the bell and become part of the Noto Squad.
Petty, I've been winning steady. Petty, 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 I've been winning